Good morning, buddy. Are you happy in the morning? Yes. We need to get up, don't we? We need to get up, but we're coming. All right, the girls have their homeschool time with Daddy, and so Mommy and the 4 boys are gonna figure out something to do.
We're gonna cook.
Eli wants to cook. It's not my favorite thing to do with.
We're gonna cook. We're gonna cook.
Or we're gonna see how the weather is. Maybe you guys could play outside.
No. Cook.
He wants to cook.
Cook.
We might make dough. Let me see how warm it's gonna be. I think we might go on a hike later because it's Luke's birthday. Well, we really don't need an excuse except for that it's gonna be sunny and in the 40s to go on a hike.
And I love you. And
so it's a little chilly right now still.
And I can even do this.
So I think we're going to make dough. You gotta put it down into the pie pan, or the muffin tin, to make your little mini pies. You getting it?
What to put in my pie?
Yeah.
I'm gonna wonder about what
Gotta
to
really stir it. See the bubbles?
I'm gonna wonder what to put in my pie.
Maybe put some berries in your pie or something.
Gathers?
Blueberries.
Hey! Hey! Let's dance on the dough.
Hey Eli, don't steal his dough. You have your dough, he has his, okay? You don't need to steal it. The dough thing is a bit of a mess, but it does keep these boys busy for a good long while. And until spring, when we can go outside in the mornings, it's the best thing I can figure out to do during homeschool time. Another thing that we've learned is there are some good drawing channels on YouTube that they really enjoy as well. Last night I made chicken pot pie and I decided to make 2. So this is pre-baked from last night, but I'm gonna put it in the oven and warm it up. And that'll make for an easy lunch. Usually whenever I make chicken pot pie, I do make 2 because I'm already making the biscuits, already cutting up the veggies, the oven's already on. Might as well make 2. Say hi, Bubba. Mommy got some makeup on and I think we're gonna go on a adventure of sorts because it's sunny and nice and we have homeschool done and sounds like a good idea. Can you smile? Blue-eyed boy? All right, we're all packed in. Getting 6 kids in the van is terrible. Difficult. It's a nice sunny day. It's cold but sunny.
I know how to float, Mom. I'm gonna float them to the other part of it. I'm so rock. Mom, should I trust it?
I don't know, bud.
Hey, everyone, welcome back to my favorite game show. Should I trust it? Oh no, folks. Should he trust it? Or will he go plunging into the water? Can he trust it? Or will he get wet? Dun dun dun!
Eli, you coming this way?
Another game. And at one time, Johanna will splash it. Will she do it? One wrong move and everyone will get soaked.
Oh boy.
One wrong move and everyone will get soaked.
We did it!
We did it. Come on, Eli.
Look at that hickory tree with a big old hole in the bottom. Check out this tree.
Go look at the hole in the tree.
Look at it. What do you think? You okay?
I can fit in it. Why does it keeps going up? It does. It keeps going up so I can stand up.
Oh man, I wonder what's living in there.
This looks fun to swim in, doesn't it?
It looks like it might actually be a little bit nasty
Oh.
because it's so shallow. It looks really pretty right now, but
It looks pretty.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
it's pretty. Do you think it would be gross though in the summer?
Only because it seems like real snaky.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, you get in there and you stirring up mud.
I was gonna say kind of swampy.
It's sort of swampy.
Trail nap. That was a muddy trail, wasn't it, guys? You think we did it in 2 hours? I'd say we did it, probably took a little longer. Luke and I are gonna go on a little date night tonight. Have my sister Ashley coming over since it's his birthday. Don't really know what we're gonna do. Probably just go out to dinner. We never really know. We don't talk about it till we get in the van, and we are all alone other than Daniel. We can actually talk and think, and that is wonderful. So we had a really fun day today, enjoying the sunshine, and it wasn't really warm weather, but at least there was sun. So that's all you can ask for in February. I hope you enjoyed going along on this day in our life, and I'll see you in my next video.